List 7, I'd like to move it. This is your tract video. So tract is a Latin root that means to pull or draw. Your words are tractor, traction, distract, abstract, detract, contract, and attract. So tractor is a large vehicle used to pull farm equipment. This is something that you're probably familiar with. You've probably seen them around in the fields. So on your homework, I want you to write, why would you use a tractor? Or what's something you would use a tractor for? Traction is the action of drawing or pulling something over a surface, or it's the grip of a tire on a road. So when I think traction, I think of the tires on my car. And in the winter, we usually say, I want good traction. So I want my tires to be able to effectively pull my car across the road. I want them to have a good grip on them. Distract means to prevent someone from giving full attention to something. So I think of at a rodeo, you have your bull riders, and then you usually have a rodeo clown. And the clown's job is when a rider gets bucked off or gets off the bull, the clown's job is to distract the bull from the rider. So its job is to prevent the bull from giving full attention to the bull rider, which may hurt them. The clown's job is to distract the bull so that the rider can safely get out of the arena. Abstract is something that exists in thought or in your head, but does not have a physical appearance or existence. So I think of love. You know, we say we love someone. You may love your parents. You love someone, and that thought exists in your mind, but you can't necessarily, it doesn't have any physical existence. You can show someone love, but love is really something that exists in your head. Detract means to reduce the strength, value, or importance of something. So if something detracts, it means that I always think of detract meaning take away. So if I had bright pink hair, it might detract from my teaching. It may take away the value because you might be distracted by my pink hair. So detract means to take away, to lose value. So if I have a car and it gets in a car accident, that may detract from the value. It may reduce the value of a car. So on your homework, I want you to write something that might detract from your learning in school. So something that would reduce the value or importance of your learning in school. Attract means to draw by physical force, causing or tending to approach, adhere, or unite. So if you think of a magnet, it attracts metal objects. They're drawn to the magnet by physical force. And last is contract. So this word can be pronounced as contract, which is a piece of paper that's signed by two parties, or as contract. And so for our unit, we're going to work with the meaning of contract. So this means to make something smaller or shorter, or to become smaller. So if I take in the picture that stress ball and I squeeze it, I'm contracting it. I'm making it become smaller. So on your homework for contract, I want you to give an example of something that you might contract, or something in the world that might contract or become smaller or shorter.